Hello friends, did you know that Cumorah Academy offers scholarships to every single student? Sounds amazing, right? We took into consideration that young adults in most countries might not have the financial resources to pay for a full semester abroad. We want to give everyone the opportunity to come and enjoy everything that our campus and the courses have to offer. Cumorah Academy's founder once said, "Money shouldn't be the reason for you to not have a better education. So we want this to be true for you too." The scholarship is kindly provided by amazing donors that believe in you and that want to see you succeed in life. This scholarship covers your stay, activities, food, and much more for the 3 months that you will be with us. It does not comprehend, though, a medical insurance, your flight, and a small contribution. Every student, once accepted, will have a financial interview where these things and your scholarship will be further discussed. Don't lose this chance and apply today for a semester with us.